wasted time. Don't waste your time more. Don't worry about the wasted time. Let's waste some time together.
Time is 1:25.
I need more.
Our guys are disappointed. We are at Pidrutalakala entrance, and unfortunately, they only allow 4 wheels. 2 wheels and 3 wheels are
Prohibited.
strictly prohibited, and no walking. So our Nuwareliya tour comes to an end, and we are on our way to
Itulgala.
Kitulgala. So time is 5:45. We are in Kiligathena. Danushka and Chaturka, they are entertaining each other. That's little bit of nature, and this is little bit of Chaturka. Time is 6:40. We are in Kitulgala, and we are going to take a dip. And Chatura, he's stripping. Okay, let me turn the camera around. So it's going to be a late night dip in Kalin River.